Welcome back to the channel. In this video we will explore the kinetic quad parametric pattern design which originated from the Albahar Tower. We will use a list item with 4 outputs on each of the discontinuity and first evaluate curve. Then we will start creating our surfaces using the 4-point surface. We will use 8 of the last mentioned component to create the geometry from the driving parameters controlled by the evaluate curves. Once all the connections have been made, we have made one al-bahar kinetic facade component, and to generate the rest of the components we will need to get rid of the list items components near the end of the script. Reconnect each item to the original stream, bypassing each list item. After that, graft the center mesh face point. Do not forget to also graft the reversed vector in this case. This will ensure that all paths leading from left to right are distributed properly and each distinct path creates one parametric kinetic facade of the quad type, on our subsurface. Now we will generate a multi-pipe, connected to the face boundaries. This will give support to each of the kinetic facade pieces. Now you have mastered the al-bahar kinetic facade based on quads. If you want a challenge, try to make this from scratch again or use a complex surface to recreate this, sharing your experiences. Thank you for watching the series and give us a like if this was helpful and subscribe for more detailed videos. Take care.